LegalMatch has been wonderful. They have provided us with a whole new base of clientele that we didn't have access to previously. They're sending us quality leads, people that we are able to represent, but also that we believe are in need of good and quality representation. So we're extremely happy with the quality and the quality of the leads and the quality of the people. You can tell that they've put a lot of work into their interface and their software, and it's been very easy to use and to manage in my office. We don't have any issues. We don't have any problems. You can tell that they put a great deal of time and effort and thought into the way that they have they generate their leads and use the website in a way that's easy to use and convenient for us. So LegalMatch has given us an opportunity to represent a different clientele that we didn't previously have access to. And so just the amount of leads that it's generating for us, it's given us a lot of expansion. It's allowed us to grow. It's allowed us to expand as a law firm. And I think without LegalMatch, I don't think that would have been possible. I think that previously clients were anxious to meet with an attorney and see them face to face. And I think LegalMatch has given me an opportunity to kind of bridge that, the concern that my clients might have with meeting me face to face, and LegalMatch gives them an avenue to reach out and contact an attorney and do a lot of the normal intake and screening process remotely. And I think that's helped people that aren't looking to go out and meet people in their office. They're looking to find attorneys online or get appointments set up remotely. I think that's been a big help. Really, we're using it primarily as a lead generator. And so we receive the emails and we contact those leads almost immediately. And so we spend a great deal of time going through the leads, trying to determine which ones would be best fits for our office. And then we use it to track and monitor the progress of those leads and work through from initial contact to closing of the case. So it's been very helpful. They've always been very friendly. They've always been quick to reach out to us to see if there's any things that we need, any improvements that we're in need of, and also if there is any short lapse of movement on our end, we always get an inquiry to make sure that we're not in need of anything or have any questions about anything. So very supportive, very fast to respond and to reach out. We get leads every day. I would need to run another report here, but over the first 6 months, it was very constant. I don't have an exact number, but I would say easily a third of the leads that we receive result in contact, and a very high percentage of those end up becoming clients. I do have a little bit of experience with other lead generating services. Several years ago, I was part of a few other ones, and they were much more expensive. The quality of the leads weren't as good. We had to sift through a lot of bad leads to potentially find some good ones. And so I would say LegalMatch is superior in all those regards. I believe they're providing quality leads at an affordable price. And I feel like it's more of a partnership between my office and LegalMatch, and not just me paying a subscription for leads that I don't use. I think for us, the key is just reaching out to those leads immediately and making contact with them in the first few minutes. I think that's the key to getting those leads and to retain them and get them as clients. The same as what we do is I would recommend that you generate a process where you can receive those leads quickly, that you get notified of those leads immediately, and that you don't hesitate and you reach out to those leads and make contact either by phone or email as soon as possible and don't let them sit. Practice is different, and every office's needs are a little different, but if you're looking for quality leads and your system and your office is set up in a way that you can respond in a timely fashion, then I think depending on your market and how much you're paying for those leads, it was a no-brainer for me, and I would highly recommend it if your office is in need of growth and additional clientele. Well, I'll say this then. I think to have LegalMatch, it also helps to have a strong presence on the internet. You want to have a good website. You want to have a place where people can look you up and know that you are legitimate. I can see that there may be some concerns by some of the clientele from LegalMatch that they're not getting an attorney in their local area, or they're not getting a real office or a real person. And so having a strong internet presence, having an office where they can find you easily and know that you're a real attorney in a real office, I think is very helpful, and one without the other, I don't think it would be as successful.